Seated.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Skytower. For your safety, please remain seated at all times and no smoking, please. SeaWorld San Diego opened on March 21st, 1964, founded on the principles of education, entertainment, and conservation. More than 50 years later, SeaWorld has become one of the most popular marine parks in the world, featuring 29,000 animals. Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued more than 7,000 marine mammals and more than 8,000 birds since opening over 50 years ago? Working in partnership with state, local, and federal agencies, SeaWorld rescue teams are assisting wild animals that are orphaned, ill, injured, or in need of expert care. Their goal is to give all rescued animals a second chance at life and return them to the wild. Feel free to explore more about our rescue efforts at SeaWorldCares.com. We are proud to inspire all generations with our incredible shows that are sure to entertain and also educate you about our animals and their spectacular capabilities. Enjoy high-flying dolphins, magnificent pilot whales, and the connection we share with them at Dolphin Amphitheater. You won't want to miss the hilarious antics of sea lions Clyde, Seymour, and Opie Otter at Sea Lion and Otter Amphitheater. Make sure to visit our talented dogs, cats, and yes, even pigs in their backyard at Pets Rule.
No, look at Devin, look at all that.
Ain't that cool?
Oh, Jesse's.
We have now reached the top of the Skytower and are hovering at a comfortable altitude of 300 feet. From here, you will be able to see several park landmarks, including Manta, Wild Arctic, Dolphin Point, and Explorers Reef. Adding to that list of landmarks, SeaWorld has just completed the largest expansion in history. 3 all-new exciting adventures are now open and ready for the entire family to enjoy. Orca Encounter, SeaWorld's new behavioral-based orca experience, is created to inspire and educate audiences about the majesty of killer whales. It highlights SeaWorld's continued commitment to conservation, research, rescue, and protection of orcas in the wild. We have also unveiled Ocean Explorer, a new 3-acre realm combining multiple aquariums, rides, and new digital technologies. And finally, Electric Eel, the tallest, fastest roller coaster in SeaWorld San Diego's history, has risen from the seas. Standing at 150 feet tall, this multi-launch coaster catapults brave riders both forward and backward, sending you into high-energy twists, loops, and electrifying inversions.
I think that would go, yeah, because that's definitely a sailboat.
Here at SeaWorld, our shows and attractions aren't the only things that are inspiring. With our unprecedented lineup of seasonal events, there's always a good reason to come back and visit all year long. Taking place on select weekends from May through September, we will welcome the brand new Sesame Street Party Parade. Rolling through the heart of SeaWorld, Elmo, Big Bird, Abby, and all of your Sesame Street friends are coming to San Diego to dance, sing, and play. The Sesame Street Party Parade will run weekends through summer. Get ready to dive into SeaWorld's most colorful celebration ever at Electric Ocean. This fully immersive nighttime experience celebrates the colors, light, and life of our oceans. Join us on the hottest dance floor in the deep blue. Get lost in a sea of color and help us light up the night in vibrant, interactive glow zones. On select dates throughout the summer, we invite you to grab your friends and family and get ready for a SeaWorld experience you'll never forget. Because at Electric Ocean, summer nights have never been brighter. We hope that you've enjoyed your ride on the SeaWorld Skytower. We are just about at ground level now. Please remain seated until the capsule has come to a full and complete stop, and you have been asked to disembark.
Yeah, but he gets my phone. I don't want him to see.
Well, I can
On behalf of all of us, thank you for riding the Skytower and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Diego.